standard, I would like to tell you a story about a cat and monkey. Once upon a time, there were two cats. They were good friends. They got a piece of bread while sharing. They made big and small pieces. So they began to fight for the bigger piece. At the same time, so they were fighting. The monkey said they will share it equally. He beat the bigger piece to make it equal. Again he beat the other bigger piece to make it equal. Bit by bit, he ate the whole bread. The Gandhi away happily. The poor cat lost the bread. The moral of this story is we must learn to share what we have. Thank you.